Tensions are rising between the United Auto Workers and Stellantis after the union accused the automaker of violating last year's collective bargaining agreement. As a result, multiple UAW locals have begun a grievance process that could lead to a strike across multiple facilities. In 2023, a standoff between the UAW and Ford, General Motors, and Stellantis resulted in about 46,000 workers walking off the job. After about 6 weeks, the parties reached a new agreement. The agreement between the UAW and Stellantis featured provisions regarding the automaker's assembly plant in Belvidere, Illinois. The company idled the facility in February 2023, but agreed to conditions that looked to resume operations. According to the UAW, this included launching the Belvidere Consolidated Mopar Mega Hub in 2024, starting stamping operations for the Mega Hub in 2025, and beginning production on a mid-sized truck in 2027. However, the UAW's grievance said Stellantis informed the union that it has delayed the Belvidere plans. Stellantis confirmed the postponement in a statement, citing the need to, quote, ensure the company's future competitiveness and sustainability. The company did not provide a timeline for resuming its plans. The UAW claims these actions constitute a violation of the U.S. investment letter in the collective bargaining agreements. The union also said that under the 2023 agreement, it can strike over product and investment commitments, and that the grievance process could lead to a strike at any plant. The UAW stated that its goal is not to strike, but revealed 7 Stellantis UAW locals that began the grievance process on August 19th. These include locals at Toledo Assembly Complex, Warren Stamping, and Sterling Heights Assembly, which employ between 1,200 to 6,200 workers. Stellantis, however, responded to the UAW's allegations, stating that the company has not violated commitments made in the collective bargaining agreement's investment letter. The rebuttal added that the UAW agreed to language that, quote, expressly allows the company to modify product investments and employment levels. Therefore, according to Stellantis, the UAW cannot legally strike. IAN reached out to Stellantis and the UAW for comment, but did not receive a response. I'm Nolan Beilstein. This is Manufacturing Now.